Here to inspire you to take your health back one meal at a time by eating more plants, moving your bodies, and of course, drinking that water. What's up? Good morning, everybody. It's about 40 degrees out, and I am dressed fairly warm despite looking like I have no coat on, because I don't. But I wanted to show you the other part of eating more whole plant foods, and that is moving your body. No matter what you do, no matter what you, let me rephrase that. Do what you enjoy, no matter what it is. Walking, running, gardening, dancing, skating, skiing, playing sports. If you like to do it indoors, for example, there's lots of free videos available on YouTube. There are dedicated programs. If you don't even know where to start, you can go over to Diva Richards Fitness. She has a whole program on school, guys, for free to help you build your muscles, to help you get strong, be flexible, and all of that jazz. So if you are looking for ways to maximize your dollar, you definitely want to check out Diva Richards' program. It's on school, SKOOL. You also want to consider just taking authority. Get up and move. Listen, if you say, hey, Ethel, I'm not braving the cold like you today. I can't be outside. I ain't originally from Philly, girl. You got that. First of all, I don't like the cold. But I do know if you get up and go earlier in the morning, it's usually a little warmer than it is going to be throughout the day. So you could just do a quick walk around your community. And if that's too much, walk up and down your driveway. If you say, hey, I don't have a driveway, I don't feel comfortable walking in my community, I just don't like to be outside, Ethel. That's fine, honey. Walk around your table in your house, walk around your bed. It may feel silly, put on some music and have fun, dance to the beat. There is no judgment at all. Do you, boo? If you got steps in your house, go up and down them steps. Turn your house into a calisthenics zone and do steps. It's okay. If all you have is a coffee table, honey, walk around that coffee table. Sir, walk around that coffee table. Walk backwards, skip, do jumping jacks. Move your body. That is the message. And it's just as important as eating more whole plant foods all the time. Yes, all the time. So what I mean by that is when we prioritize the foods our bodies were divinely, innately, originally designed to thrive on, we do better. We feel better. We sleep better. We're able to show up better and be present for our family. So that really is the message. So this is the other side of this. I've already had some lemon water this morning, and I had some leftover pineapple, ginger. What was it? Yeah, it was all lemon blue collards again. Smoothie leftovers. So I just drank the last 2 or so ounces of that, and I came on out. Most times I literally just have some fresh citrusy or water-based fruit in my hand that I just pull out my pocket and eat while I'm walking, and I drink water before I leave. That's typically what I do, just to have something inside of me while I'm moving. So first thing in the morning. I'm not a big eater before I do fitness training. And if I am going to eat, then it's definitely going to be at least an hour or so before, because it's just not comfortable running or anything like that on a full belly. Now, that being said, you can certainly eat a hefty meal and then simply walk. You can totally do that. I do that, especially around the holidays when we're just eating just because. I practice Hurry Hachibu. So I eat till I'm 80% full, and then I get out there and I just walk. It helps with digestion. It helps your body say, okay, we're gonna break this food down. We're gonna extract these nutrients. We're gonna move it throughout our bodies. That's what it does. And it is absolutely a good feeling to support your body digestively. So just wanna encourage you to get up, get moving. I wanna thank you all and show appreciation for those who have been checking out my video shorts and checking out my videos. There's so much content already out there. So I encourage you to explore what I already have available and then get in where you fit in.